I gotta be real, it looks pretty good in here. I'm gonna spray this stuff on.
Taylor and Corey were here. Don't you forget it. Damn, Daniels, that real?
It's
What?
doing a
Hello, everyone.
Sorry, we might cough right in the beginning. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, whew, I'm almost done too. Hi everyone, Nicola Spurling here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my apartment for hopefully the final time because this place is ready, just about to rent out. I've got the new tenants coming any moment now to finish signing the paperwork. I apologize that there are no lights on because I forgot to pay the power bill. Things happen. And as you come through here, we've got the bathroom, which has a new handle on the door. The door's white, obviously. We've got the towel bar in here, which is now installed. The whole bathroom is clean and ready to go. Let's just boop, pop that down. And then you come over here, you got the master bedroom. There was some kind of gross stuff on the floor, places like that. We got it cleaned up. It's all good to go. Come on over here now. We've got this bedroom here, the regular bedroom. We've got the walls painted, touched up, and this one's good to go. Coming through here, we've got the hallway and the living room. We've got that little burn mark in the floor patched up. New curtains up here. Everything's looking nice and bright and airy except for the fact that there's no lights. And then as you come over here, everything's just been cleaned up, touched up. And then you come into the kitchen where again, everything has been cleaned and the problematic door here that had the broken hinge has been fixed. The sink, which had some white spots on it, has been fixed. I wish I had light to show you everything, but that's about it for here. And now my friends, Kelsey, Aradia behind the camera again.
Hey.
We're all heading out to Othello Tunnels, so we'll check back in with you once we get there. Hopefully you're enjoying these weird camera angles, and hopefully you enjoy the scenery from Othello Tunnels. Tell a joke! No.
Your mom. I'm sorry.
My mom has cancer.
I'm sorry, your mom's actually very lovely too, my bad.
She is quite lovely. Hi, Heidi. Really? I don't like her very much.
Ooh! On camera too.
Yeah, I want her to know.
I'm sending Heidi the link.
You don't talk about my friend Heidi like that, Aradia, even if she is your mom.
Oh, I gotta call the new tenants. Which also means I need my phone.
So I'm just vlogging. Nicola needs her phone, and I'm trying to keep the phone away from her. So let's go on the balcony where she can't get me. Lock myself out. Now I'm gonna throw the phone. Bye. Here at the tunnels, doing tunnel things. Here's the tunnel. It's really, really big. There's people for scale. Wow, people for scale. Incredible. In the Coquihalla Canyon, the river cuts a 300-foot deep channel through solid granite. A straight line of railway tunnels known as the Othello Quintet Tunnels were built through the canyon between 1914 and 1916. There are spectacular viewing opportunities available on the trail, through the tunnels, and on the bridges. This park highlights the Kettle Valley Railway and the 1876 Hope Nicola Valley Trail. I sure do love the name of that trail. It contains a 135-hectare land base and is a popular tourist attraction, providing viewing, walking, cycling, and picnicking opportunities. What do you think?
I feel so small.
We just got to the end of the tunnels, at least of the Othello Tunnels. The trail still continues on a little ways, but I don't know if we'll walk beyond this. I have a sore knee, and it's also getting a little bit later in the day, but we came here also to record Aradia playing some of her music, and this is a perfect time because there's not many people here. So let me introduce some clips of Aradia playing right now.
Wish you touched me as much as your iPhone. You always made me feel so damn alone. Why you always gotta look at your Visco? You never even posted any photos. Kinda rude to ignore me for your iPhone. If I were you, I would've just stayed home. I'm so damn over all these memes that you download. I'm so damn over being mean on the down low. Please turn off your cell phones.
So what happened when you were trying to do a panorama, Kels?
Oh, I got to about me and then realized I don't really want to turn all the way around and I didn't know what to do, so I ended up with a really ridiculous picture. So it starts off real nice, all good, and then this way, we lost it. Even our radio looks fine. It's like totally normal, and then I was like, oh no.
I hope you enjoyed hearing Aradia play a little bit of music, and if you want to go and check Aradia out on social media, where can they find you, Aradia?
The internet.
I'll put the, I was gonna say hashtag, what's it called? The handle. I'll put the handle right here. So Nicola was thinking of making the vlogs not once a week anymore, and I'm sure your loyal fans would have a huge problem with that. You think? I'm pretty sure my fans would just say, be kind to yourself and do what you need to. But I also haven't Miss decided. America, Jesus Christ. I mean, I'm just trying to get you. Look at that cave, it's huge. Jesus, looks like Breath of the Wild up in this. Like I'm about to rescue the Indiana Jones gold and ancient artifact. You know?
I'm into it.
Give us
I heard you say something about artifacts.
I forgot my water.
Artifacts? Oh no.
Artifacts.
I heard artifacts.
Oh yeah, this looks like some like Indiana Jones.
It does, right?
Totally. Nice. That's an amazing shot. Oh, Nicola's limping because she hurt her leg. It's so sad. Oh. And we talk and we talk a lot about things that may interest you.
I'm there.
I don't like it.
Just taking some pictures. You're looking cute, girl. Give us a twirl. Come on, 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 girl. Yeah! Woo! Oi, Nan, you lost your walker.
Sorry?
Oi, Nan, you lost your walker then.
Lost my walker?
Yeah, you lost your walker, Nan.
Oh, I wish I had a walker to lose.
What does that mean?
Cool phone, dude.
Thanks.
It's so trippy. I don't even know why. Here we are, just existing in nature. No distractions. Except that she's distracted by the nature. You talking to yourself over there?
Right? This wall makes me feel very small.
Why is she acting so shifty? Just do what you're there to do. Just do it. Awooga. Look at her with a little chipmunk smile. Look at her. Aww. Oh, yeah, got a funny one. Woo! Oh, silly. Nice. Nice.
Those are nice.
Oh! Old YouTube videos.
That's embarrassing.
All those old YouTube videos of mine.
English girl named Fiona. African girl Ariola. Body yoddy shell like cola. Back up and come closer. That's pretty good.
Really?
Yeah, the body language and everything was great. Can't handle this. She handles dick like a handle the wall.
whore. Not funny anymore. Except not happy bunny anymore. Didn't really want to bring it to your mummy anymore.
Wow. Wow, look at that sunset.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
We had a great trip. I hope you enjoyed seeing my apartment now that it's finished for the second time. And I hope you enjoyed the footage from Othello Tunnels. We had a great time there. Thank you to Kelsey for giving us a ride, and she's currently giving us a ride home right now. Thank you to Aradia.
I'm Aradia.
And Kelsey for helping me out at my apartment. And also, I hope you enjoyed the clips of Aradia playing some music. She's
Still Aradia.
talented. And go give her a follow if you're interested in hearing more like that. So, as always,
Aradia Fair.
as always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, have a great day. That is awfully close to my face. How am I not like filling the screen with my head?
Oh, your
eyes
screen's barely on the face.
I say au revoir, au revoir. You probably don't even know what that means. Au revoir, au revoir. You probably don't even know what that means. She says that it's French, I know what it means. You don't have to be so mean. If you wanna leave, why don't you go? Right before she walked away, I'm pretty sure I hear her say, adios, adios.